I'll get back to the question. I've not forgotten. I always like to use this analogy. So now we are talking about basically mitigation. We are talking about climate mitigation, reducing the emissions. We are focused on mitigation. But then, of course, we have the other angle of climate, which is the adaptation. We already have erratic rainfalls. We have increasing temperatures. We have drought happening. And it affects us more than it affects the global north. And this is caused by climate change. So the question is basically now, okay, our roof is on fire. Our roof, global south, our roof is on fire. And the conversation is, wait, we didn't set the fire. Somebody else set the fire, right? So we should maybe, relax and let them try to quench it. And they are saying, well, we'll give you some bit of water to use to quench it. And we say, well, no, it's not fair. You should quench it. Unfortunately, we do not have the overarching power to hold anybody to really account to the quantum of their cause. And because of that, we must still find a way to quench our fire. While we talk about how they can help quench the fire they have set on our roof, we must be fetching water as well, right? So that is the first angle. Now, to the question of why the conversation is always back focused on global south. Yes, there are carbon markets in the global north, and they are doing some good amount of works in that area. But I think the opportunity that comes normally to global south is, if you look at infrastructure sector, talk of energy, we have what we call we have fossil-based plants and we have locked infrastructure. If you build a thermal plant today that is supposed to last you 30 years, and all of a sudden you are told that let's close the plant down because it emits. Because the plant has not been, used for its useful lifespan, you don't want to abandon as a good infrastructure.
Yes.
So, but when you come and to the global south, we have lack of infrastructure. There is infrastructural gap, and we are now building new infrastructures. So why would we want to build the old type of infrastructure we are trying to move away from? Meaning the opportunity for us to really meet our infrastructure needs using where we are going, which is an infrastructure that is more appealing and environmentally friendly.
Yeah.
It's huge. I think that is where the conversation usually focuses on that. Look, global south, look, you can do this.